Welcome back, everybody. This is Uhfgood, and this time I'm continuing the little 2D tutorial off of the Godot docs. And let's see if we can rename this, because it says to rename it player. Click on the node's name, the scene's root node. We can add additional nodes to the player functionality. Before adding children to the player node, we want to make sure we don't accidentally move or resize them by clicking on them. Select the node and click the icon to the right of the lock. Tools tip says make sure the object children are not selectable. Select the node. Click the icon to the right of the lock. I don't see any tooltip that says that. Oh, in the thing there. Oh, I see. Because it's down here, so it's showing you where it's at. See, I didn't know that, realize that. It's already been 10 minutes, and I should have started my timer 2 minutes. So 10 minutes left, about. Okay, so it says, come on. Make sure the object's children are not selectable. Okay. Save the scene. Click Scene, Save, or Control S on Windows or Command S on Macs. Control S. So now we're actually saving it here. For this project, we will be following the Godot naming conventions. DD script classes nodes use Pascal case. Variables and functions use snake case. And constants use all caps. Got it. C# classes export variables methods are Pascal case. Okay, I get it. Camel case and all that. Yeah. So okay, so let's just save it, and I just did. Sprite animation. Click on the player node and add an animated sprite node as a child. Okay. Animated sprite. Animated sprite node. Create as a child. The animated sprite will handle the appearance and animations for our player. Notice that there's a warning symbol next to the node. An animated sprite requires a sprite frames resource, which is a list of animations it can display. So this says no configuration warning. Node has no shape, can collide or interact with other objects. Consider adding collision shape 2D or collision polygon 2D as a child to define its shape. Okay. I just wanted to say that because it showed it earlier. And then this one says no configuration warning. A sprite frames resource must be created or set in the frames property in order for animated sprite to display frames. Gotcha. To create one, find the frames property in the inspector. Frames. Click empty. New sprite frames. Wait. Next, in the same location, click the sprite frames, then click open editor to open the sprite frames panel. New sprite frames. Okay. Click sprite frames. Then click open editor. Click it. Wait. Click it. I don't know what it's asking me to do here. Empty new sprite frames next in the same location. Click sprite frames, then click open editor. To open the sprite frames panel. On the left is a list of animations. Click the default one and rename it to right. Okay, so that's basically it automatically opened it, I guess. So, click, I guess I didn't need to click open editor. I don't know. Okay, so let's just assume that I didn't need to. Click the default one, rename it right. Then click the add button. That would be the add, I believe. And to create a second animation named up. Drag the two images for each animation named player gray up, player gray walk into the animation frame side of the panel. Okay. Up to can I trash that? Up. Okay. Oh, and then player gray walk 1 and walk 2. Alright. I think I did that. Alright. So right is right and up is up. The player images are a bit too large for the game window, so we need to scale them down. Click on the animated sprite node and set the scale property to 0.5, 0.5. You can find the inspector under the Node 2D heading. Okay, so animated sprite node. Scale property under the inspector under Node 2D heading. Okay. Which is the transform, right? Scale? Okay. 0.5 and 0.5. Just like that. Okay. Finally, add a collision shape 2D as a child player. Collision shape 2D as a child of this determine player's hitbox or the bounds of his collision area. For this character, a capsule shape 2D node gives the best fit. So next to the shape in the inspector, click empty, new capsule shape 2D. Using the two size handles, resize the shape to cover the sprite. Here. Let's do something here. Let's zoom in on this guy here. Okay. Alright, so in the shape, new capsule shape 2D. And, okay. Something like that. Something like that. Okay. Cover the sprite. When you're finished, your player scene should look like this. And it does. Moving the player. Now we need to add some functionality that we can get from a built-in node, so I'll add a script. Player node and click add script button. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save this. Go to player. Wait a second. Oh. Can I save it now? Okay. Cancel. Just trying to save that. Okay. So, player. Okay, well, let's go ahead. I'll go ahead and add the script. Oh, I see. That's the add script button right there. Just wait a second. In the script settings window, you can just leave the default settings alone and just click create. Create. Creating C# script or other languages, select the language drop down. Okay. So, if this is your first time encountering GDScript, please read scripting before continuing. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and save everything here. Control S. And I'm going to go ahead and call it quits here. Alright. So, looks like we did a good deal so far. And I will get back to... Here, let's actually put this on the bar here. Like that. And I can go ahead and just kind of close everything right now. Quit. Leave that open. Let's go ahead and close. Let's go ahead and delete this. Yes. Close that. Span this back out. And how come... Wait a second. Your first game is here, that's why. This is the Deponia walkthrough. We'll leave that. That's not a problem. Okay, so let's go ahead and close that. And alright, so the next time we'll actually get to the point of where we are writing a script, and I'll continue on. In fact, I'll do it, you know, tomorrow, and I'll just keep going through this, and we'll get back to the actual other stuff later. So, I would like to say thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. What are you doing?